Hi everyone, esteemed professors and committee members. I am Georgette Valenzuela, and it is with great honor and enthusiasm that I stand before you to present my research proposal on enhancing motivation in the classroom through gamification. Today, I will delve into the significance of motivation in the educational context, discuss the philosophical foundation underpinning this research, highlight the potential of gamification, and outline the methodology to be employed in this study. Motivation is a cornerstone of effective education, driving students to engage, learn, and excel. Recognizing the vital role of motivation, I have woven a philosophical framework combining existentialism, progressivism, and pragmatism. This student-centered model promotes independent learning within a supportive framework that encourages idea exchange, embraces challenge, and fosters a growth mindset. This philosophy lays the foundation for enhancing students' classroom motivation. By cultivating an environment where students are driven by intrinsic curiosity, challenge, and the desire to learn, we aim to create a dynamic and engaging classroom atmosphere. My objective is to understand how gamification can effectively tap into these motivational factors. Gamification as an educational approach harnesses game-like elements to enhance students' intrinsic motivation, active learning, and immediate feedback. Research by Elsa June, Akawaja, and Suhaim from 2022 underscores that elements like challenge, control, collaboration, and competition contribute to heightened motivation. This aligns with existing literature that showcases the potential of gamification to enrich learning experiences and address engagement challenges in today's digital landscape. In light of the challenges posed by modern distractions, this study aims to investigate how gamification can counteract declining motivation and engagement in traditional classroom settings. When integrating gamified elements into the learning process, we strive to boost students' motivation and foster a stimulating learning environment. This research also draws upon the critical link between motivation and achieving learning objectives. The integration of gamification elements in the classroom environment enhances students' motivation towards learning by fostering engagement, autonomy, and a sense of achievement. In this section, we'll explore how motivation acts as a driving force for engagement and academic achievement. The role of motivation in learning and achievement. Motivation serves as a catalyst for both engagement and academic success. When students are motivated, they are more likely to invest themselves in their studies, leading to better outcomes. Intrinsic motivation, that internal desire to learn, plays a significant role in fostering engagement and performance. When students are genuinely interested in what they're learning, their involvement and understandings deepen. Here's where gamification steps in. With the introduction of game-like elements, we have the potential not only to enhance motivation, but also bolster self-efficacy, which is the belief in one's abilities to succeed. Transitioning to the next point, let's explore the diverse motivational theories that find application in the classroom setting. Self-determination theory, SDT. This theory emphasizes autonomy, competence, and relatedness as driving factors for motivation. When students feel a sense of control, competence, and connection, their intrinsic motivation and engagement naturally increase. Expectancy value theory, EVT, focuses on the impact of expectancy and value on motivation. Understanding how students perceive the likelihood of success and the value they attach to the efforts offers insights into their cognitive strategies and achievement. Goal setting theory. Goals are powerful motivators. When students set clear objectives and see a connection between effort and achievement, motivation soars. And here's where gamification steps in, leveraging its features to enhance applied effort and motivation. Let's now shift our attention to empirical studies that shed light on the effects of gamification on motivation and academic achievement. Motivation and gamification studies. Gamification's impact on motivation. Through incorporating game-like elements, we're able to tap into students' innate drive for competition and achievement. This leads to enhanced motivation, manifested as increased student satisfaction and engagement. Gamification and academic outcomes. The relationship between gamification and academic achievement is multifaceted. While research offers mixed findings, it's clear that instructional design and learner preferences play a significant role in determining its effectiveness. Lastly, let's discuss how gamification tools exemplified by platforms like Kahoot contribute to the learning environment. Gamification tools and effects. Kahoot, as an example, is a prime illustration of gamification's potential. When incorporating game-like elements into quizzes and assessments, it not only makes learning more engaging, but also positively impacts students' motivation and the overall dynamics of the classroom. This exploration of motivation gamification and their interaction with learning outcomes provides valuable insights for educators seeking to create dynamic and effective learning environments. My study will address several key research questions. What gamification aspects are most engaging and motivating to students? How does the integration of gamification elements influence students' motivation to learn? What is the impact of gamification on students' attitudes towards collaborative learning? How do different gamification strategies influence intrinsic and extrinsic motivation? How do demographic factors interact with the gamification's impact on motivation? What is the correlation between engagement levels and academic performance in a gamified classroom? My methodology employs a dual method approach, utilizing both qualitative and quantitative methods. Qualitative data will be collected through the interviews and focus groups, while quantitative data will be gathered via self-report surveys. Thematic analysis and appropriate statistical techniques will help extract meaningful insights from the data. I have developed a comprehensive data analysis approach that encompasses two distinct methods. For the qualitative data analysis, I will harness advanced software tools such as Ligre and Deduce. These sophisticated platforms will empower me to meticulously code the collected data and identify recurring themes that emerge from the narratives. On the quantitative front, the data garnered from surveys, facilitated through web-based platforms, will undergo rigorous statistical analysis. This analytical process will encompass correlation analysis, enabling us to decipher relationships within the data. Additionally, regression analysis will be employed to explore predictive factors, while ANOVA will aid in investigating variations present within the datasets. The research study will encompass participants of diverse backgrounds, spanning both genders and falling within the age range of 14 to 17 years of age. The participants' technological familiarity will vary, reflecting their distinct levels of experience with technology. All individuals partaking in this research initiative will be high school students hailing from a high-needs educational institution. The findings from this study hold significant implications for educators. By harnessing gamification, educators can create engaging and immersive learning environments that foster motivation while addressing the challenges posed by digital distractions. The integration of gamification tools like Kahoot can leverage competition and achievement, further enhancing motivation and engagement. Moreover, my research will explore individual differences in response to gamification and offer recommendations for responsible implementation. In conclusion, my research proposal seeks to bridge the gap between motivation and gamification in the classroom. As we tap into students' inherent curiosity and desire for challenge, we aim to create an environment where learning is dynamic and engaging. As we embark on this research journey, we hope to provide educators with actionable insights to enhance classroom experiences and contribute to the advancement of education through innovative teaching methods. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to your guidance and support as we endeavor to enrich the world of education through this research. Thank you once again. I would like to express gratitude for the committee's attention and time. I'm excited for the research journey ahead, and I am also open to questions and discussions.